We are pleased to show you the 2022 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power liftgate. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.